warm welcome to all of you. Today I am going to show you how to make chicken spring rolls from scratch. Spring roll is a classic Indo Chinese dish, perfect for snacks or can be eaten at iftar also. Spring rolls are crunchy from outside and tender on inside. The filling is so light and full of tender crisp vegetables and every ingredient is distinguished. So let's get started. So first I'll be showing you how to make spring roll sheets. For making these rolls I have taken 1 cup refined flour or maida, water as per needed, we have to make dough with water, salt half a teaspoon, oil around 2 tablespoons. Now in a mixing bowl mix salt and flour. Add 2 tablespoons of oil and mix. And then add water and knead it like a dough. Dough should be slightly stiff. So dough should be like this, slightly stiff. Cover it and let it rest for around 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, make equal parts of dough like balls. And roll them into small rotis, puri size. Here you can see I have rolled all of the balls into rotis. And then apply oil on one roti with a brush. Make sure to cover all the surface of roti with oil. Like this we have to apply oil. And then place one roti on it. Then again apply oil on it. And place another roti on it. I have only 6 of them. If you have more, you can make 2 separate pile of rotis. So only the top layer we don't have to apply oil. We don't have to apply oil on the top surface. So here we don't have to apply oil on this. Now then roll this pile of rotis into a big roti. Keep rolling it, but keeping the size of your skillet or tawa in mind. Here the roti is ready. Now heat up the skillet or tawa on low to medium flame, but it shouldn't be very hot. Place the rolled roti on it, and I'll grease it with little bit of oil, a few drops, and let it cook for 5 to 10 seconds on each side. We don't have to cook it too much. Flip it and take it off the heat after 5 to 10 seconds. Let it cool down slightly and then take out the sheets one by one. They will be separated easily. So here you can see thin sheets like this. So here our dough sheets are ready. You can see they are thin. I'll cut them into rectangular shape by cutting the sides like this. These cutouts or sides can be used for making mini samosas. We don't have to waste them. Here our spring roll sheets are ready. Now moving to filling. These are the ingredients that I have used for filling. You can use more or less according to your taste. You can add more vegetables or more chicken. So I have taken salt, half a teaspoon, because we are using soya sauce also, that's also salty. Black pepper 1 teaspoon, vinegar 1 teaspoon, soya sauce 1 teaspoon, and shredded chicken half a cup. You can add more also. So I have boiled the chicken and then shredded it with a fork. 1 capsicum sliced, 1 carrot sliced, and half of the small cabbage. Like this, we have to cut them in julienne cuts like this. We need oil for frying and sauteing the vegetables and chicken. Now I am making a paste of maida with water. So this will act like as a glue for rolls. So I have taken 2 teaspoons of maida with water and I will make it like a paste. Now I will heat up 2 tablespoons of oil and add cabbage, saute. Then add carrots, saute, capsicum, and then chicken. Saute properly. And then add soya sauce, mix. Add black pepper powder, salt and vinegar, and mix properly. We don't have to overcook them, they should be crunchy. So we will just saute them in these things for a few minutes. Now here the filling is ready, so I'll turn off the flame. Now we will add filling to these sheets. On one corner just add filling and roll it and keep skewering it with the maida paste like this. Make sure the rolls are skewered properly so that the filling doesn't fall off. Now here the rolls are ready to be fried. Now I have heated up the oil and placed rolls into it. We have to fry them on all sides. Here the flame is between medium to high. We don't have to keep it on high. And flip on the other side, and once they are done, take them out on a paper towel. So same we will repeat with the remaining rolls also. Here the rolls are ready. Serve them piping hot with any dip or sauce of your choice. These spring rolls are easy to make and taste super. Give them a try and let me know in comments how they turn. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.